For the same price, you can get a set of this milk card, organization, and 2 HP9 clouds, and there's also a comprehensive middle payment. Let's unbox it directly and take a look. As you can see, there's a camera kit here. Let's take a look at what the phone looks like that you haven't seen yet. It's a clear NOM case made of a plastic material. I think it would be better if it came with a more premium leather case.
The black version.
Well, the 98 charger head, combined with a 6000 large battery, still has significant weight. It's also the first time I've held this image flagship, and it feels even more textured than before. It's a 2K resolution on a 4.3 aspect ratio M9. Let's power it on directly and take a look at the rear camera. This is the kind of feeling it gives. Out of 10, I'd give it a 2, and everyone can give their own score. The overall feeling is very balanced. This year, it will indeed be released, but if you want to have a 200 million transaction, that's a bit small. If the super flagship models from Oppo and Vivo are released, would you choose to go straight to the factory settings with the Surge? 20, you can see the system beforehand. Many devices have been experienced before, and this generation work can be used. When you open this screen, chance to its white storefront, look at the Shield compared to the 6000 more Supreme Edition. Whether it's battery capacity or camera configuration, everything is packed tightly. This time, the price itself is the only thing that doesn't follow the same path. Between this and Huawei's 70 Pro, as well as the soon-to-be-released OV super flagship, which one do you think?
I recognize the professional photography tricks, but I feel that this kind of experience, compared to just pressing a button to take a photo on a friend's iPhone, truly offers a higher sense of satisfaction. It really has a sense of ceremony. Let's open the official set and take a look. It's directly called the Legendary Collector's Edition. As for playing with this toy like a novel, assembling it yourself will reveal the final form of this hand, which is this classic black bear made of a hard material. Well, if you usually don't wear this handle, the protective edge is quite elegant, similar to the texture of a high school backpack's back cover. Then when you put it on, it directly transforms into a large capacity of 80 million, allowing you to fast charge immediately. Recognizing the professional photography palm effect, when you open the camera, I feel that this experience offers a higher sense of satisfaction compared to just pressing a photo button on a friend's iPhone. You see, this position to spot sound is much better than Apple's. The zoom knob is quite smooth, and let's see how the video turns out. The transition is very fast and accurate, allowing you to switch between video, détection, and photo modes directly. You can change modes at will. There's also a function, knob, that lets you continuously adjust the exposure, which I find extremely practical. For instance, if the scene is quite bright, you can adjust the exposure to the top. You can also choose some photography accessories. Here you can attach a lens ring, like the one I'm choosing now, which is made of metal. This lens ring can be replaced with a black one to match the body of the device. It comes in 2 colors, and you can switch them. It's obvious that there's a type of texture on the edge, and the button can enhance your grip. Once you fix it in place, it really feels no different from a camera. The grip is truly excellent. If kids are the first to purchase the Ultra, I think the photography experience is really accessible. It would be incredibly comfortable. So if it were you, would you choose to buy it? Or would you opt for the official website? Feel free to leave a comment below the program. Goodbye.